Okay. Maybe come on.
Don't make it go down too much. Big baby. Big baby. Leave. Yes, baby. No.
Good afternoon, everybody. My name is Destiny.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Kubemi, and we are representing Group 1.
So, like I said before, first of all, aesthetics kind of please. As you can see this. This is the draped dress made from the process of repetition and sculpture.
Okay, this is the week's project, which is making a draped dress. And we decided to work with two types of drape, just like my team members mentioned, which is sculpture and repetition. You can see this outfit is a royal outfit. You know, the royals always like to make statements in their outfits. So this is a statement dress, which also represents elegance. And we also worked with pearls, as you can see. We have pearls, we have petals, and lots of drapes, because that's what the project is about, drapes. And another thing we did to enable us achieve those types of drapes you can see on our outfits, that we listen to our fabric. Because that's one thing we were taught, and it's very important. When you're doing a draped dress, you have to listen to your fabric to enable you have a finished work like this. So, a neatly finished work, yes. So that is. So let's.
Teamwork.
Teamwork. I wanted to talk about what it is. So you can see.
Teamwork, our experience with teamwork was quite lovely after this dress also. So, everyone got their hands dirty, you know. And we have something wonderful. Thank you.
Yes. So let me just add to what you said in regards to the teamwork. It was a very, very wonderful work as a team. Everybody contributed. Like, honestly, before we started this work, we honestly didn't know we were going to achieve this. We were like, are you sure we can do this? It looks so complex. Are you sure? You know, but with teamwork, we were able to come up with this beautiful outfit. Someone came up with the idea, what do you think? What if we had a rose? What if we had this? So I think, honestly, if I was given this project to do, I wouldn't be able to achieve this. But as a team, we were able to come up and, finish this beautiful piece. Thank you.